Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to our TD board exam review. So, by the way, I'm Engineer John De Santos. No? So, ang ating topic for today ay AC Circuits 1. So, kumuha ko ng problem from September 2018. So, this is the problem. An inductive coil consumes active power of 500 watts and draws 10 amperes from a 60 Hz AC supply of 110 volts. So, what is the coil inductance? Okay, so solve natin yung problem. Solution. Okay. So, before na mag-solve, no, maganda yung gawin natin muna yung circuit. So, pag sinabi natin inductive coil, so this is a simple circuit, a combination of resistor and inductor na nakaseries. So, we have the power supply, AC, resistor, inductor. We have an RL circuit. No? So, gawin na natin. So, let's say, punta tayo sa given para mas madali natin ma-identify. So, what are the givens? No? We have active power. So, pag sinabi natin active power, that is the power consumed by resistor. No? 500 watts. And draws 10 ampere from 60 hertz. So, that is our total current. Total current. No? Yun yung total current natin. So, yung total current, yun. Yung current supply by, no? Supplied by our supply voltage natin. Supply power. So, that is 10 amperes. No? So we also have at 110, 60 hertz. No? The frequency of our supply, 60 hertz. And AC supply is our total voltage. Our total voltage is 110 volts. So ito yung 110 volts. 60 hertz. So we have an RL circuit. So to solve this problem, ang ginawa natin dito is inductance. So we are looking for the inductance. Since we have a current na, no? So meron tayong current, meron tayong total voltage, so we can compute the, no, the impedance ng circuit. Okay. I is equal to IT is equal to VT all over Z. So therefore Z is equal to VT all over IT. Since our total voltage is 110 volts, di-divide lang natin by its current, that is 10. So therefore, our impedance is equal to 11. So mahalaga itong impedance, no? Para i-solve yung problem. Okay? So again, kapag solve kasi ng L is kailangan natin yung XL. Okay? So kita ko lang na pwede natin magamit na para masolve si L is yung XL kasi dun siya manggagaling ng formula. No? 2 pi FL. So hanapin natin yung XL. Kailangan natin XL. So para maharap sa XL, kailangan mahabin natin si R. Since meron kang power, meron kang current, so solve natin. Kasi we know that power is equal, no? Yung power na resistor is simply the current flowing to your IR squared multiplied by resistance. Since this is a series circuit, yung current na magpo-flow dito sa resistor at yung current na magpo-flow dito sa ating inductor are the same. No? They will have the same current kasi this is a series circuit. So since we have a PR, so pwede na ma-solve yung R. No? So we can say that, divide ko lang, R is equal to power ng resistor divided by I squared R. So since we have a power that is 500 watts, no, divided by I squared, so ating current dito is 10 squared. So this will become 500 divided by 10 squared. So we have a resistance of 5 ohms. So since we have now a resistance na meron na tayong resistor value, Since we have the resistor value, we can say now that Z squared is equal to R squared plus XL squared. So this is the impedance triangle. So we can now compute the value of XL. So XL squared is equal to Z squared minus R squared. So to solve the value of XL, we need lang square root. So we now have a formula. XL is equal to square root of pinakasya. So we have now XL is equal to square root of Z squared minus R squared. Since we have a formula, we substitute the value. So this will become XL is equal to Z squared. So our Z is 11 squared minus 5 squared, and get the square root. So now we have the value of XL. So square root 11 squared minus 5 squared. So our XL is 9.798 ohms. So we have now a value of XL. Since we have a frequency, kasi diba dito tayo kuha ng formula for solving the L, no? Sa XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So since we have now an XL, we have also have the frequency, that is 60 Hz. So what's about the L? So there's a problem. So from XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So since XL is given na, so natin yung L, therefore L is equal to XL all over 2 pi. So therefore inductance is equal to, our value of XL is 9.798, no, divided by 2 pi multiplied by 60. So therefore L is equal to so 9.798 divided by 2 pi times 60. So therefore we have a 0.026 Henry, or ito yung tatawag natin. Susog lang natin siya from multiplication, 26 milliamp. So the answer is letter A. Thank you.